All right, let's run through another chemistry question. This one says, how much heat in joules is required to convert a 100 cubic centimeter block of solid CO2 into gaseous CO2, where the heat of sublimation is 24.2 kilojoules per mole and the density is 1.56 grams per centimeters cubed. Cool, so to me this sounds like a raw dimensional analysis problem. We just got to use our units and kind of convert into what we need. So we're going from 100 cubic centimeters block to joules, to heat. And we've got a bunch of different things we can do along the way. So our units that we're dealing with are cubic centimeters. We can immediately go to grams from cubic centimeters. Let's do that first. So we're starting with 100 centimeters cubed CO2. And then we know that the density 1.56 grams for every cubic centimeter. So right there we've canceled our cubic centimeters and we're into grams. Then from grams we can use the molar mass to get into moles. And then we can use our heat of sublimation to get into kilojoules from moles. So just looking at the units and figuring out how to convert each individual thing, we should be able to arrive there eventually. So molar mass of CO2, carbon is 12.011 grams per mole. Oxygen, we've got two of those, is 15.999 grams per mole. We'll multiply that by 2 for the two oxygens and CO2. So in total, the molar mass of CO2 is 44.09 grams per mole. So we can throw that into our calculation here. We got 44.09 grams, which we wanted to cancel with the grams up here, per 1 mole CO2. We cancel these units. So now we're into moles of CO2. And finally, we can just use our heat of sublimation, which is kilojoules per mole, to get into kilojoules. So that's 24.2 kilojoules per every 1 mole. Now all we have to do is multiply the stuff on the top, divide by the stuff on the bottom, and that calculation is going to give us 85.8 kilojoules, which is our final answer.